What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang, real estate investor, dividend collector turned YouTuber. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio on my iPhone. I am so close to $7,000 in the portfolio. So let's jump right into it. And I'm going to show you guys what I bought this week for the dividend investing portfolio. So quick shout out before I begin. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. This is where I post all of my real estate investment updates and everything. So I'm always at my property almost every single day, and I let you guys know what is going on with my rental property. I have two rental properties, and this is the one that is getting renovated right now, and everything is running pretty smoothly. Go check it out and see the updates in real time. I update it every single day, about every single day. Now let's take a look at the Robinhood Challenge portfolio. $6,973.06. I am $27 away from $7,000 portfolio. I'm doing pretty well this week. On the day I'm down. Nope, on the day I'm actually up $42. On the week I'm up $117. So this is mostly because there was a really big dip at the beginning of the week, and I was accumulating as much as I can of a bunch of stocks. I'll go over that later on in the video. On the month, I'm up around $63. I'm disappointed, a little bit disappointed at that. On the 3-month chart here, you can see that I'm up $440, about almost 7% of the portfolio. 1-year chart is looking even better, 17.2% gain on the year, $1,023. One thing I have to say about this is that every single week I'm depositing $200 into the Robinhood portfolio. So this percentage is just going to keep going down as the more money I put into the portfolio. But luckily I'm doing well when it comes to my stock portfolio. Not sure how it's going to go on for the rest of the year, but so far so good. So when it comes to the all-time chart here, I'm pretty sure you guys know the story already. When I first began penny trading, day trading, didn't go well. And now we're here. I'm up almost $600 on the all-time chart here, and 9% gains. So this is my stock portfolio. I have 11 dividend paying stocks. 5 of them are monthly paying, and the rest are paying quarterly dividends. So I'm going to take a look at the history right here, and I'm going to be showing you all the dividends that I've received for this month. So when it comes to the dividends that I'll be receiving in August, it comes to around a total of $50 on a $7,000 portfolio. That is pretty good. The returns are more than I expected. I'm pretty sure next month it will be a lot lower, just because a bunch of my quarterly paying stocks paid this month. Let's take a look here. Like Starbucks, for example. Starbucks paid a dividend of about 72 cents, and I only own 2 shares of Starbucks. All right, so a lot of you guys have been messaging me about what I've been doing this week, because typically I post up these Robinhood challenges on Monday or Tuesday, but now it's Thursday, and I've been playing around with the schedule of my uploads recently, just because I want to see what would happen if I uploaded on different days and whatnot. And overall, my results have not been good, so I'm going to be switching back to the regular upload schedule, about 3 videos every single week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So let's get back into the portfolio, guys. So with the $200 that I deposited for this week, my first purchase was Pfizer. I bought about $100 worth of Pfizer. That's equivalent up to 3 shares at $34.63. So for the last 2 weeks, I've been trying to accumulate as much Pfizer as I can, $100 here, $50 there. And right now I have a total of 5 shares, about $175. I believe it's on sale. Dividend history is looking pretty good. All right, so let's take a look at Pfizer's dividend history on Nasdaq.com. This is where I get all of the dividend history. You're not going to be able to find any of this on Robinhood. In fact, a lot of the stats on Robinhood are just no good. They're just not up to date. For example, the dividend yield is not going to be up to date. There's going to be some dividend stocks that Robinhood doesn't even show dividend yield for. So double check everything with Nasdaq.com. And let's take a look at the dividend payouts. So I'll be receiving about 36 cents for every share of Pfizer that I hold. And they've been raising their dividends ever since 2013. And I'm assuming I probably need to do some more research, but I'm pretty sure that they've been raising their dividends long before this date. So something like Pfizer, I'm going to be able to hold it for at least 10 years. There's going to be a long-term play for me. I don't see this company going anywhere in the short term, but lucky for me, they're not doing so well in the short term, and I can accumulate shares at around $35 this week and last week. So for my second purchase of the week is going to be another all-time favorite, PowerShares S&P 500. I just bought 2 shares this time, totaling up to $80. So far, so good. Basically, I bought a lot of shares of SPHD over the past year, and my average cost is at $41.10. So right now, I get to average down my initial cost, and I'm gonna try to get this total return to a positive number. That's my goal. And today's return is about $3, so not too bad. And I know I cannot forget about AGNC, the AGNC update. Yes, I am still buying AGNC. Right now, I bought 1 share today at 11 a.m. I thought it was a good time. The price of AGNC is under $16. That's pretty crazy. So I bought 1 share. That's all I had left in the buying power here. So right now, AGNC is at $15.90. AGNC is a monthly paying dividend stock. I have 53 shares at the moment. Equity is around $800. Average cost is really high for me. I've been buying AGNC ever since January of 2019. And as the price is... So let's take a look at the last 3 months. So in the last 3 months, there's a lot of volatility in AGNC, and in this time, I was able to, accumulate shares, trade shares as well. And during, I think in May or June, this is when I stopped buying AGNC, even though it was on the low. And around July 23rd, this is the time where I started to sell AGNC. And right now, I think it's another good time to start buying back into AGNC. And just repeat the process over. Buy when it's low, sell it when it's high. If we take a look at the total return, it says that I'm down $82. I've been collecting dividends from this company ever since January monthly, and I probably got over $100 worth of dividends ever since then. And on top of that, I was able to profit on a bunch of my trades as well. I don't know if I document every single trade on here, but you guys can see that I've been selling. Like, I sold 60 shares here at $17.05. So I've been buying back in recently because I think that right now is a good time to buy back in. So in summary, AGNC is a great way for me to learn how to trade it. On top of that, I get paid dividends to learn how to trade it. And it's a great learning experience. And I think that a lot of you guys follow me for the updates on AGNC. So, and going forward, I'll be buying and selling AGNC for the rest of the year and for the foreseeable future. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next section here. If you guys haven't liked the video yet, don't forget to like the video and give me a thumbs up. For the next part of this video, I'll be answering some comments from my older videos. So if you guys didn't know already, I answer almost every single comment on my videos. And another great way to reach me is through Instagram. So that's another plug. Go follow me on Instagram. So I've been getting a lot of comments from a lot of other international people that's watching my videos. So this is for you guys always asking me about Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. I only buy my Bitcoins on Coinbase.com. I do not buy them anywhere else. If you guys are international, I would recommend you guys to go to Binance.com. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, and you guys can go check that link. You can basically buy Bitcoins on Binance now. I haven't tried it myself, but I know that I know that Binance is a great exchange, and I trust Binance. I have Bitcoin on Binance. I have a bunch of altcoins on Binance as well. So I'm also a user of Binance. So hopefully that answers all of your questions for anybody that can't buy their Bitcoins on Coinbase. All right, how do you set up dividend reinvesting on Robinhood? For whatever reason, I get this question a lot as well. I don't know if it's me or I don't know if it's you, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be you. Basically, on Robinhood, you cannot do auto reinvesting like on, for instance, on M1 Finance or on Vanguard. On Robinhood, they pay you out dividends at on the payment date. So let's go back into Robinhood really quickly and show you guys my dividends. So basically, you're gonna get your dividends like how I get my dividends. They get paid straight to my account, my buying power, and it will sit there and it will sit there until I use it. So for me, I'm able to deposit $200 into my account every single week. So I'm able to utilize all that money and put it back into the portfolio. If you guys can't do $200 a week, maybe you guys can do $50 a week, $100 a week. That's how I started, and that's how I was able to just slowly bump up how much I reinvest every single week. If you guys can't do every single week, try doing it like $200 a month. Just be consistent with whatever you guys can. Everybody's financial situation is different, so I'm not going to fault you for not being able to put $200 into your account every single week like I can. There's some people that I've talked to that put $10,000 into their portfolio every single month. So just think about it from that perspective. There's levels to this game, and everybody starts at level 1. And right now I might be at level 3. You guys might be at level 1. As you guys get more sophisticated in your investing, and as you make money from your day job and whatnot, you guys will be able to save more money. So you guys shouldn't be worrying about like the dollars that you make from dividends. You should honestly worry about making more money from your job or from your side hustle, saving more money, and then being able to invest even more money than you've ever invested before. So back in the days, probably a few months ago, I made a decent amount of videos about how do I make my YouTube videos, how do I get more views, how do I get how do I make more money on YouTube and stuff like that. So I made a lot of videos about that, and those videos didn't take off. Like honestly, I could honestly say those videos failed. So I don't know. So it's kind of interesting that I get to see some brand new comments from a lot of people on those videos. So I'm going to be answering this one. Can you tell me from which country do you get most of the views? So to answer this question, first, I get about 80% is going to be America, 20% is going to be Canada, the UK, Australia, and then like a list of a bunch of other different countries. So those are basically where all my views are coming from. And what is the CPM of that country? My CPM typically ranges from about $20 to almost $40. So that is a really wide range, and that is on the higher end of all of YouTube. I know for YouTube, the average CPM is around $4, like $3 to $4. So I'm pretty lucky that I'm able to get like $20 up to $40 in the CPM. So if you guys want to make a little bit of money on YouTube, maybe you guys should do some stock videos as well. But one thing about doing videos on stocks, dividend investing and whatnot is that you're not going to get a lot of views. Like on average, my videos get around 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, probably 5,000 is on the high end, but 3,000 is around average about the views that I get. All right, this is from Mr. J. I like this channel because he isn't rich and has a portfolio amount similar to what normal people would have and invest in a way that would benefit that. So I thought this comment was kind of interesting. I didn't comment back on it, but I did like it. When I first started the Robinhood challenge, I honestly didn't know where it would go. But as I kept doing the challenges, more and more people kept following the movement of the Robinhood challenge. And eventually it turned into something bigger than I could ever imagine. So if you take a look at my subscriber count right now, it will be around 29,950 or something like that. So I'm like 50 subscribers away from 30,000, and I'm just gonna congratulate you guys. You guys are amazing. I would not be able to do what I'm able to do now without you guys. You guys really keep me consistent with like posting videos and updating you guys, letting you guys know all of the mistakes that I've made and letting you guys know all of the lessons I've learned. So as long as I can pass it on and you guys benefit from it, I'm gonna keep making these videos. And I just want to thank each and every single one of you for subscribing and being part of the movement, being part of the Wang Gang. I'm really working hard on that Wang Gang merchandise, and I have a lot of great ideas that I will hopefully get out to you as soon as possible. So if you guys still want to watch more videos from me, go check out my older videos here about dividend investing, real estate investing. Like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe for more content just like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit that notification button as well. Don't forget about that to get notified for the next video. And I'll see you guys later. Love you 3000. Bye-bye.